Okay, I warned you. I warned all of you. I said that I was going to start releasing more content on this blog. But it seems like the most time-consuming task. Who knew that managing a website, well, several websites, would be so complicated? Nowadays it seems like I have so many tasks and activities to do that I've been slowing down a bit. When it comes to earning money online, there seems to be an endless amount of avenues that one could take. I hope you guys don't mind a bit of an informal read today. Today we are going to address making money online with writing. Follow us on Pinterest. Paid newsletter. We are mostly leaving our information about how to make money online exclusive to our newsletter for subscribers. If you haven't already and are interested in both supporting our content and learning all online/remote money-making schemes, check out our newsletter and subscribe to receive emailed strategies and tips. So there you go. That's one example of making money through writing. From creating a paid newsletter, you can set the price however much you want. If your content is good and interesting, then people will pay and support. Once you have some good content going, it's recommended that you promote your content in order to increase the number of subscribers. You could post ads, but most likely at the rate you'll be charging and the number of subscribers is expected to be low. You should really only spend about 10% of your profit on ads. You pretty much already have the email marketing part in the bag. Subscribe to our newsletter to receive updates on making money. Email address, required first name, last name. Subscribe. https://www.getreview.co/profile/mowakal11@live.com. Subscription received. Please check your email to confirm your newsletter subscription. Social media marketing. The more effective way to market your service is to use social media. Promote, promote, promote. Sign up for every social media account you can think of. Increase your follower base through posts and engagements. Don't waste your time buying followers. That's really old school and does not work anymore. Try to post often, discuss things with your friends and followers, share for share, and join groups and communities. If you have a YouTube channel, that would be even better. Memberships and courses. E-learning courses. And just because you guys have been so patient, we are going to release more money-making strategies in this post for free. But you have to subscribe to our membership for e-learning courses in order to access the PDF and courses that are available in the post. Which is another example of how to earn money writing. You can create educational courses and charge for memberships to access content. And if you're a member of our e-learning program, then you will also receive access to upload a course or book online, and we would make a listing online for you. You don't have to worry about sales fees, taxes, and web hosting costs. We are also working with a few nonprofits and universities to get quality courses available to you, and you'll have the potential to get certified in a skill. Sign up for our e-learning courses. Write for Nature's Uprise. We are currently looking for writers to create content on our blog. We are looking for content that aligns with our mission to inspire students with science and technology. We would like to get out some plant listings on our blog. We want to have blog posts/listings that describe everything about the plant, the looks, the growth information, and later we can add listings to the post. If we can get that done, that will help us expedite rolling out the re-release of selling plants and aquatic animals again. We want our blog to become a catalog of knowledge information that will complement our e-learning courses and tutoring services. Join our Discord group and Reddit group for access to our knowledge base and community. Once we get our platform close to our goal or being complete, we will shift gears into grant writing. We want to obtain funding for research and offer internships and scholarships for students. Should they ever have a question about anything nature-related, they will have a ton of resources available. They would have the blog to search through, plus tutors and coaches, and personalized e-learning content. Members have access to an exclusive chat, where they can get their questions answered immediately. Or just have access to a group of really skilled writers and creative talent. Book/ebook writing. Another way to make money writing is to write a book. But not just any book, it has to be something desirable, and you would want to save up some extra money for a reputable publisher. If you choose to self-publish, you may only get 1 or 2 sales from family members and close friends, but that's about it. If you promote your ebook with an online course, it may perform a little better. Another strategy that I've seen was to use a crowdfunding platform to fund the book or writing material, then sell it after. I've seen people receiving anywhere from $7 for an article or essay to upwards of $500 for a book. My Brother, My Problem by Jamal Mowakkal. E-learning course members should check out this course on how to utilize crowdfunding for authors. Crowdfunding for authors. Check it out, https://blog.reedsy.com/learning/courses/publishing/crowdfunding for authors/. If you are interested in reviewing your interests and hobbies and helping you monetize your dream, we highly recommend booking us on our services page. Access the course on how to write a business plan. This is brought to you by SBA. Subscriber content. Add content here that will only be visible to your subscribers. The Small Business Administration has a series of self-paced, easy-to-use courses that cover a variety of business basics. Each course takes about 30 minutes to complete, and many of the courses have audio explanations, videos, and podcasts. Here is an outline of the course offerings. Starting a business, starting an online business, business plans, franchises, and adopting technology for business benefits. Managing a business, taking your business global, using technology, preparing a business plan, entering into a franchise, planning for disasters and preventing crime. Financing a business, introduction to accounting and an overview of how to prepare a loan package. Contracting, tips for working with government agencies. By accessing their course materials, it should help you identify if you are considered an employee or independent contractor. We recommend that you become an e-learning course member, and we can get that straightened out for you, as well as set you up with handy resources, such as QuickBooks for tracking and reporting self-employment. Another way you can earn a profit is through blog writing. E-learning course members will have access to the full download of the ebook/PDF. Grow your traffic, build your blog. Blogging tips and tricks for the tenacious blogger. Are you looking for advice on how to grow your audience? Do you want to make your blog more visible and attractive to new readers, but aren't sure where to begin? Read our comprehensive guide on all things traffic, from analyzing your stats to capitalizing on your social networks. We have ideas you can use to take your blog to the next level, and beyond. Subscriber content. Access the PDF here. Grow your traffic, build your blog 14295594561 download. We have a free guide that we are working on if anyone is interested in considering our blog writing platform. We are looking forward to working with individuals that want to grow with us. Check out one of the nonprofit groups that we are working with. My Own Business Incorporated. My Own Business Incorporated is a nonprofit organization that provides a free online business course for the entrepreneur who wants to start his or her own business, and the individual who has an established small business and would like to see that business grow and expand. The training is broken down into 16 sessions that cover the most important topics for anyone starting or operating a business. The course also includes the following bonuses: sample business plans and templates, quizzes to verify your level of understanding, video and audio clips from experts share how to overcome common problems, new business startup checklist covering all business topics, session summaries to minimize the risks of mistakes. The same as before. The e-learning course members will have access to the full course as well as training materials. Kutztown Small Business Development Center. Provided by Kutztown University of Pennsylvania, this is a growing collection of free online learning programs that focus on entrepreneurial training. The learning programs are a compilation of training materials from the SBA, IRS, Small BizU, Virtual Advisor, and custom programs from the Pennsylvania SBDC network. Available programs include accounting, bilingual, English/Spanish business operations and management, business planning, finance, government, international business, legal, management development, marketing, sales, small business tax, starting and growing a business. If we didn't scare you away with the writing material and running a business, feel free to support our podcast and our Patreon. This blog post should be available on our podcast soon. We had been previously contacting about doing interviews about academics and careers for our students and possibly hosting some live events. It's just going to take us a little bit to get it back going.